So I'm here in Santa Fe, New Mexico, in a sleepy little neighborhood known as the Rail Yard District, to check out a restaurant where the chef, I hear, is a total character. And he's taking food that may sound like it's common, but boy, does he take it to the next level. This is Joseph's Culinary Pub.
Working the lamb tartare.
It's a laid-back restaurant with upscale food.
Eclectically farm to table.
Steak au poivre ready.
He was the only chef that I've kissed on the mouth because my meal was so good. Hi, that was me.
Welcome to Santa Fe, folks. Love is always in the air when chef and owner Joseph Reed is in the house, because he's putting his passion right onto every plate. What type of food are you into?
Taking relatively common ingredients and finding how they work together to raise people's expectations and create flavor.
It's American food, but he puts a real twist on it. He loves vegetables. He loves a lot of lamb.
The lamb neck confit.
The lamb neck confit is lamb neck, sunchoke puree, and blackberries. Flavors together that you wouldn't really think work, but they do.
What are we making?
Crispy lamb neck confit.
I've confit a lot of things. I've never confited lamb neck.
We'll put the lamb neck in the duck fat.
Baking in fat.
Yes.
What a show name that should be. Baking in fat.
And cook it for 3 hours. It comes with a sunchoke puree. So we're gonna make a veal stock to cook the sunchokes in. You smear the bones with tomato paste, celery, onions, carrots.
In the oven, 350.
Then it's into the pot.
Water,
Red wine,
peppercorn, bay leaf.
garlic clove. Bring it up to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it go.
What are you gonna do?
You're gonna bring it up to a boil, take it down to a simmer, let it go overnight. Peace.
Word.
Sunchokes in stock, they're gonna come up to a simmer
Got it.
and ready to be blended.
And then we'll plate.
Yep. Gonna turn on our pan,
Hey, Pan, you look great.
add your ghee.
Clarified butter. Pulled neck meat.
Yep. Let that cook a bit, shallots and leeks. Put it in the oven, and we're gonna deglaze with lemon juice.
Right.
The sunchoke puree. This comes down. You could strain it out if you have people that are afraid of fat. I'm personally
Well, evidently
not.
you can tell that's not my problem.
And then the blackberries, yogurt, Brussels sprouts sauteed in garlic and ginger, fried shallots, pickle with fennel and onion.
It really should take a picture of it before you eat it. I mean, it is gorgeous. You have this refined beauty of the neck. Rich, enjoyable textural. The sunchoke veal stock, I mean, that just gets you weak kneed. But it's the Brussels sprout with the blackberries. That's the money bite right there. The only thing I don't like is that I don't want it to end.
Confit of lamb neck.
The lamb is just so pronounced and so fresh.
Everything just looks appetizing.